Hello there. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or place a photo or picture in Microsoft Word. First, make sure to open your Microsoft Word. And here, this is how it looks like once you'll open it. Now for us to insert or place an image in Microsoft Word, you need to click the insert option on the top left portion of your screen. So that's beside the home option. So click that one, and here, this is how it looks like under insert option. So all you have to click is the pictures option, and this part you'll be able to insert some pictures. Now let's try to click it. Click that one, and then you can select either of the three right here. It's either this device, stock images, online pictures. Now let's try to insert picture from this device. Select that one, and it will allow you now to select a specific picture that you wanted to insert in Microsoft Word. Now let's try to insert sample picture right here. So select that picture and then click insert right after. And there, it will automatically be placed or inserted on your Microsoft Word. Apart from that, you can also simply, let's try to use another tab right here. And then we do have another option as well. Let's try to get a picture from Google. For example, if you want this image to be inserted in Microsoft Word, all you have to do is right click, and then you'll see some options. There is an option for you to copy the image. So copy the image and then go back to your Microsoft Word. Let's just delete this first. And then the next step you'll do is right click and paste the picture. And there, it will show on your Microsoft Word. And then you just need to minimize the photo since it is too big. And there, that's how you insert a photo or image in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.